Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something different, and that is going to be an unboxing video on the Glossybox. Glossybox, for those who don't know, it's a monthly subscription. That means you have to pay for, I believe, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, but I'm not quite sure. Therefore, I will be linking everything down below for you guys, but nevertheless you get, for example, every month a different box with 5 different products, from skincare, makeup, hair products, nail products and so on. I've got mine this month. It's the February edition. I've already tried a product. I will be telling you later on which one, but let's just open it here with you guys and see what I've got. So this is how it looks like inside. It has like this small magazine, and you actually get to see the products that others have gotten and what you've got, with the price and just like detail about them. And then you have here the products. It's everything pink, as you can see, because of Valentine's Nude now in February. And these are the products that I've got. And let's see what I have. Well, I have actually, well, I'll be damned, a Huda Beauty lip gloss. I have no idea which shade. Ritzy? No, I believe it's called Ritzy, but I don't know. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks amazing. I'll do here a swatch for you. Wow, just like this metallic color is just, it's amazing. And it smells like caramel. Just amazing. Actually, let me put it on and see how it looks like. So let's try this. I don't know. I mean, the color, it's really nice, but I think it doesn't look great on me. I look like a dead. Do I look like a dead person to you? I mean, as I said, it's nice. It's a bit sticky though. It's a bit sticky, but it's a nice color, but I don't think it goes well with my skin. I look like a dead person right now. I look like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this shade, if it looks good on me or not, or whatever. I'm just gonna leave that on and see at the end of this video if I like it or not. I don't know. But at this moment, I don't really like it. I don't really, you know, I'm not feeling it. You know what I mean? Just not yet, but we'll see. So, moving on. The next product I have, it's a body lotion with cacao butter. And yeah, it smells really, really nice. Let me apply some of it on my hand. Okay, so it has like this kind of yellowish shade. As I said, it smells amazing and it's really creamy, not sticky, which is nice, and it seems to hydrate really, really great. I like it. Yeah, moving on to the next product, I have a highlighter by, I don't know, Danton Paris? I don't know. I haven't heard this brand before. It seems to be a French one. I believe it's vegan, which is nice. And it says here 97% natural, which is nice. And it comes in 20 milliliters. And it costs, let me see, it costs, how much does it cost? Why can't I find it? So it costs, oh, okay. Well, this 20 milliliters says here that it costs like 22 euros. I don't know if you can see it here. I don't know now in dollars how much that is, and it says here that you can mix it with your foundation for more dewy finish. Okay, I guess I have to try that and see myself if it works. So let's just do a small test. Oh, okay. Have to be careful though, it comes a bit too much of product. And can you see it? Well, it gives you like a nice, I don't know, shine, like glowy finish. Not bad. It's really creamy, doesn't stick, but I'm really curious to see how it works with foundation. So the next product I have is this huge shampoo bottle by Nivea. It smells quite nice. I guess I will give it a try and see how it works with my crazy hair skin. So the next product that I have, it's I believe this is like a mask. It says it's written in German. Yeah, it's like a mask, you know, and you can you have 3 different masks here. You have for your T-zone, for your eyes, and your cheek area. It says to help clean your face, hydrate and regenerate it. Not bad. The last product that I have in this box is this amazing, I'm truly in love with this product, is this nail polish by Essie. It's in an original size, which is amazing, and this is actually what I've got here on my nails. Also, I've got a discount coupon, this one by, I do hope I pronounced that correctly, Purelay, I believe. It's like a brand with watches, you know, all kind of accessories, which is amazing, and I get 25% discount, which is brilliant. Yeah, these are the products that I've got this month in my Glossybox. Stay tuned for more unboxing Glossybox, and let me know in the comments below if you guys like these products, if you ever tried them. Also, let me know your thoughts about this lipstick right here and on the nail polish. And as always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!